Today, we embark on a most extraordinary journey, brought to you by Dove Serum Body Wash. Here, upon Erin's skin, a vast and weary landscape stretches before us. The dry lands, where moisture is but a distant memory. Explorers traverse the harsh terrain, but then change, a shift in the air. The first drops descend. With the power of Skin Replenish, exfoliation gently lifts away the past while moisture floods in. In mere moments, a surge of hydration has swept away the old and unveiled something new. Life stirs once more. The sun emerges, illuminating a world reborn. The land is replenished. The skin, nourished and radiant, a transformation both profound and undeniable.